we go. So that's that tree. Crown lifted over the gateway. Now, whether the tree survive, I don't know. Only time will tell. It's a nice bit of hawthorn to my right. You can't beat descending into a hawthorn. Oh, it's lovely. Especially when you've only got a pair of jeans on. Wow. Don't normally see trees like this, do you, on YouTube? People are always climbing, you know, the perfect trees with nothing around them. What you see on my videos is real world. This is what it's like in the real world. Crap everywhere. At the base of the tree, crap. Wherever you go, crap.